What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got the purple coupe and we've got Ross's 328. Basically what we're going to do today, we are going to be upgrading the brake system. I mean, we're not changing the brakes and stuff, but we're going to be fitting braided hoses on front and rear on both cars. If we've got time, we'll do both cars anyway. So here are the two sets we've got. So this set is for the purple coupe and this one's for Ross's black coupe. They are actually different, so depending on what car you've got, there are two variations. One set which is on the, I believe it's only on the facelifts, it might only be on 323s, I'm not 100% sure, but make sure you look it up. They just have 4 lines, and the pre-facelift has like 8 lines or something. It has four for the rear and 2 for the front, so it has six lines in total. Once we fit them, I'll show you what the differences are. This is a bit of a weird setup. I don't know why BMW done it like that, so that's probably why with the facelift models they went nice and simple. We got these from eBay. They're just WezMoto. They're just some of the cheapest ones we could find, really, because some of them were like 200 quid. These were, I think it was 60 something pounds for the 4 ones, and it was like 80 quid or something for these. They're really nice quality though for the price. I mean, they're probably the same quality as like good Ridge ones and stuff like that. They look really nice. But yeah. The gangster has arrived. I've only just seen your spinning caps. That's the first time I've spun them. Your spinning BMW cap. Yeah. It's sick. Yeah, it's like Rolls Royce stuff, this, mate. Look at that. They're like spinners. It's so sick.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Alright. Oh, let's get started on this. So we've got this brake bleeder thing. I've never used it before. It's a pressure bleeder. So instead of suction, it uses pressure to pump it through. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Never used it, but soon find out, innit? Get this bad boy jacked up. Alright, so first, obviously, spray all your connectors with a bit of WD because they're rusty 90s cars, and get a little wire brush on it and clean it up if you want as well. Hopefully they don't round off straight away. That would be a fun job. Alright, send it. Right, he's also got himself a new whip. Jay-Z boy. 1 Jay-Z? Nearly said 2 Jay then. That was so weird. I went to put my hand on it to do it and you done it. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, imagine. Oh, got one half of it out. So this is from the brake caliper, and then goes like so. So that's what it will look like on the car. Why a BMW done this? No idea. So stupid. I mean, there might be a logical reason behind it, but in my eyes that is stupid. Because on the facelift version, it's just a straight pipe. There's none of this stupid stuff going on. Yeah, and also you require about 50 spanners to do this off. Every one of these is like different size. But yeah, alright. Let's pop the new ones back on. Ross's fat eye. I farted in his eye. Again. Well, this definitely isn't fun. A lot of brake fluid. They're almost in now. Let's just tightening them all up. Ugh, such a pain. Alright, so they're all in there now, as you can see. God knows if it's all routed correctly, but it seems like the only way it can go. But yeah, now just clean it up, bleed it, make sure there's no leaks, and do the same on the other side.
That's like metal, that's something like that.
Yeah. Alright, time to test the bleeding then. We've got this pipe on here. We need an empty bottle to put this in. Yeah, so it just connects straight onto here, and then you pressurize that and it should push the fluid all the way through, in theory. Oh look, it's already started coming through. It's pressurizing just from the heat. Let's give this a go. On this side we're gonna have to just replace the rear section of hose because that one's just rounding off and I haven't got the flaring kit with me. So we'll have to do that some other day, replace this front hose, but we'll just do the rear for now. It's mainly the fronts we need to replace anyway, but it'll do. It'll do. It's also super hot. We're all melting. Alright, so we've done the rear. I said I only done the rear section, didn't do the whole thing. But we'll tackle that part another day. It's all bled now. Hydro already feels much better. It's a lot firmer than it was before, which is nice. The old little pressure pump thing is sick. This makes it so much easier to bleed brakes. Now, fronts. Onto the fronts. This one should be a lot easier. Bloody, this camera don't focus. So it's literally just this one and the one on caliper. Should be so easy. In theory. See how she goes, as long as it's not all seized again. Alright, so front's all in. Sweet as. That's how easy it should be. Don't know why the rears have the 4 pipes. So stupid. Oh well, she's all in there. Now time for the other side. Fun times. It's not actually a bad job, but it's just so hot. It's probably, I mean, I don't know what temperature it is, probably like 25 degrees, which isn't hot for other countries, but for here it's very hot and it's very humid, so it's making this a lot harder work. But we're almost there. I don't know if we'll do the purple one or not. I might just do the rears or something for today and then finish it another day. But yeah, so there's the line before and after. So this one's all in now, a bit of a little ghetto bodge up there, but it's nothing. It's all bled, feels sweet as. Decent. This thing worked a treat. Highly recommend that, makes life a lot easier. Just put it back together and this one's done. And we'll have some food, so I'm starving. Right. Officially knackered, I'm completely covered in grease as well. It is too hot, so we're just gonna do, well, we finished Ross's black coupe now. We're just gonna do the purple one another evening. No point filming both anyway, you've already seen it on one. The only difference is the cables, not cables, the lines are much easier on this one. But it's too hot and it's like 3 o'clock, so we're just gonna go back to the house and chill, I think. Yeah, knackered. Hope you enjoyed the video and make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Videos every Thursday. Goodbye.